Hi YouTube fans!
Today we're going to make some slime.
We are, we're going to make some slime and we've got all the ingredients here which we'll show you on the video. And first of all we're going to start off with our jug.
Before we start, please can you subscribe and hit the like button?
Yeah, certainly if you like the video, hit the like button. If you don't like the video, hit the thumbs down. We don't mind, but we'd like you to hit the like button. Right, we're going to start off with some PVA glue, which we're going to go into the bowl.
It can be clear glue.
Yeah, we're not going to make too much because we're going to save some glue to show you some more techniques in a little while. Now the next one is baking soda. Now you only need a very small amount of baking soda. So we're going to get our plastic spoon. And there you go, just a small amount. And we're going to put that into the PVA glue.
Mix.
And we're going to give it a good stir. Do you want to give it a little stir?
Sure.
Stir it all up.
It's very stirring. It smells delicious.
Does it? I don't think we should eat it, do you?
No.
No. And with slime...
Because glue's poisonous.
Yeah, and what do we need to make sure that the people know is you don't let little babies or very small children have slime because it's dangerous.
And they could eat it and they could actually die.
Well, they could choke, couldn't they? And
Yeah.
it's not a good idea. So that is definitely not a good idea. Right, so we've got that all mixed up nicely. Now then, if you want your slime to be coloured, we'll put a bit of food colouring. Should we have blue or yellow?
Blue.
Right, we'll go for blue. So
Can you put loads of shade?
put a few, we'll do that. So we'll put a few drops of blue in there and give that a good mix up. As you can see, it's all getting
You don't
mixed
have to
up.
put that much food colouring.
You don't. You could have a little bit and make it lighter, or you can. We're going to make a good strong blue colour in this one, aren't we? Right. So that's a bit of blue. Now then, we're going to put some shaving foam in this one to make it fluffier.
We can put loads in or a little bit. We put loads in and it works really
Awesome, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, we're going to put some in this one, so we'll go.
Daddy.
Right. Now we're going to stir that up,
That's a lot. Just for a little
and
slime.
it just stirs into the mixture like that.
Yep. And the last ingredient is
Well, the last thing we're going to put in.
Borac.
Well, it is. You can get different brands as well, but we're using Borac Multi-Action Eye Wash.
Don't give a little kid to hold that because always it could smash because it's glass.
It is, yeah. So we put just a small amount in.
And then we start mixing that.
And what that, yeah, you can mix it. And what that does is that will
Make it all.
make it into perfect slime, won't it?
That's what it's looking like.
Instead of a gooey mess, it'll make it into a proper slime. So you have to
Oh,
stir it
yeah.
really hard
I can't stir it that hard.
because it's turning into slime, isn't it?
Can you hold that?
Go on then.
Oh, that turned out like a last one.
Yeah. Now, if you find that it's sticky,
Yeah, like that.
yeah, then we can add just a little bit more of this. And you keep adding a little bit, not too much, just a little bit more of this until you get it perfect.
And then you get it out and mix it and play with it. I mean,
Do you want me to give it a good stir?
I need to get all of that.
Wow, look at that. Should we just show properly how that's coming? Look at
Yeah.
that.
That looks
That,
awesome.
you can see that is turning into slime. Wicked.
Daddy, could you show me that?
You want to show the people what we made?
Yeah.
Go on then. Go get the one we made.
We made some more slime with the same ingredients with blue food colour and the same as that.
We did.
And
That's why it came out so good that we thought we'd share it with you, didn't we?
Yeah. This is a slime that we made. Oh, my chair here.
Wow, this is turning into
This is
awesome.
what this turned into. Ooh. This is what it turned into. Turned into perfect, squishy slime. And also you can poke it like that. And you can make massive bubble out of it. really cool.
Well, I think this one, look at that.
Daddy, would you like me
It's
to
a bit
mix
sticky.
it?
Right, let's put a little bit more of that.
Don't put too much in.
Not too much, just a little bit. It's just not quite there.
And then when you find it's perfect, my dad uses his lunchbox tubs and gets
Well, I don't use it for lunchbox tubs afterwards, do I? But that's what we've been using to put them in. Because if you seal them, then they're not going to dry out.
We haven't used any of our glue. Look at it. It's halfway full.
I know. We'll be able to make loads of slime.
We can make 10. I'll put this by it with. There you go.
I think it's starting to get there now.
Well, to feel it.
Well, let me just make sure it's...
That looks like slime. It's really close to Easter, isn't it?
It is very close to Easter. Right, let's have a look at this.
Can I feel it, Daddy? After you play. I'm going to feel it. I just want
I
to.
think it's a bit squishy because you have to play with it a little bit to make it mix better. Because it's difficult to mix with a spoon.
My finger?
So yeah, you have a.
Oh, it's all wet and stuff. Yep, I need to play with this.
Yeah. Look at that.
Don't you need to leave it to dry out for 5 minutes?
Well, it's not so much drying.
Like I say.
It's not so much drying out. It's when you're playing with it with your hands, you mix it better because it won't mix properly with a spoon because it's turned to slime.
Getting better.
That's it. Let's listen to that. Show the people closer on the camera. Look.
Here you go. I'm going to play with it for you so you know it's actually real slime.
It is real slime. It's
Yeah.
very good, isn't it?
Hello! Just playing with some slime. Hi, Daddy.
Hey, Belle.
Do I see this slime closely? We just made this slime as well.
We did.
Should we show them the other one that we made?
Yeah, we'll do another video for the other one, yeah?
Sure.
But first of all, we'll show how we made this one.
It's very nice and silky and rubbery. See? Do you want to poke it?
I don't think they can, but I can.
I like you over there and you over there. Here you go. Oh look, the camera's so smart, it has arms. You're a very smart camera. Even you have a mouth so you can laugh. It doesn't make that much bubbles, but it's still really cool. Ooh, squeaky chair.
Should we say bye then?
Bye!
Bye! Don't
So, hope you subscribe and click the like button.
That's cool.
Oh look, the camera's talking
Bye!
again.